So my name's Aaron Stevenson, I'm 22 and I'm from Randallstown. So the course was a very good option for me at the time because it allowed me to get an insight into the industry and what the specific skills industry was looking for at the time, and as well as that it gave me the opportunity to combine both the practical elements of the course as well as the academic side and the bookwork that's required to back up the practical side as well. So there are several different modules I studied as part of the course. One of them specifically that fed into the robotics competition was automation and industrial robotics. So this was a direct link as it provided the background into the likes of programming the robot offline and both on the robot itself. It gave the background into the robot, such as sensors and things like that, and all the design considerations into designing a robot cell and the safety behind it and so on. And then as well as that, in some of the other modules we studied was engineering science, mathematics, CNC and so on. So currently I work at Linamar Light Metals Belfast, where I'm an apprentice there. So I am just time served in toolmaking, but in the future, using this competition and the studies I've been doing, I would like to move into the automation and robotics side of the factory. So setting up the robots, designing robot cells and trying to automate the processes which have been done by manual means or by operators. So using robots to lift cylinder heads in and out of heat treat machines or in and out of saws or in and out of things like that in order to speed up the process, make it safer and increase the productivity of the company. It's definitely a great option for anybody who wants to, as I said before, combine both practical and the theoretical elements of engineering. And as well as that, because all the lecturers come from industry, they know exactly what industry is looking for, and they can always refer back to the skills and the experience they have and constantly relate it to the work and the assignments you're doing. So you're always at the forefront of what industry is looking for.